So we're told the sum of the digits of a three-digit number is 15. And then we're told some information here. So what are we told here? So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to start highlighting. And so first we know that the sum of a three-digit number is 15, and that the tens place is twice the hundredths, and the ones place is one less than the hundredth. So this is our first step, is to figure out, we want to write down what we know or highlight it, whatever you want to do, okay? Then we're going to assign variables. So I need to write a three-digit number, right? So my three-digit number, I'm trying to get it to write, it doesn't want to write. There we go, is X, Y, Z. So X is my hundreds, Y is my tens, and Z is my ones. And it doesn't matter what it is, but I want it so that I know which one's which. Okay, so the sum of the digits, so X plus Y plus Z equals 15. Okay, so that's the first step. It's equation 1. I need 3 equations because I've got 3 variables. The tens place, okay, so that's Y, is twice the hundredths. So I'm going to do 2x because it's this y is double this, so I need to double it. And then let's see here, the ones place, okay, so that's my z, okay, is 1 less than the hundredths, so x minus 1. So here's my equations written from here. So I've assigned my variables, I wrote my equation. Now I need to solve this. This is actually, I can see that both of these are in terms of x. I'm going to sub this by substitution. So I'm going to take this right here, this right here, because then I have x plus, let's see here, 2x plus x minus 1 equals 15. Now I can really easily solve this in terms of one variable. So that's 4x minus 1 equals 15, 4x equals 16, x equals 4. Now I need to start going back. So y then is 4 times 2, or 8, and z is going to be 4 minus 1 equals 3. So then looking at my thing, I have 483. This is my three-digit number. So as you write this, and this, we can go back. If I add these up, I'm going to have 15. So cool, that works. And I can work through the other problems. The tens place is twice the hundredths. The ones is 1 less. The big thing with all these is taking the paragraph, turning it into a list, whether you highlight it or you actually physically write the list, and then taking that list, assigning those variables and creating that equation. It helps to delineate each of the steps, because a lot of times we get ourselves like, I don't know what the equations are. By taking it out of the paragraph and making a list, a lot of times, it does really help focus you in on what you want. It kind of clears away some of the junk and helps make it easier to solve the problem and set up the equations.